Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about object-oriented programming. In object-oriented programming, we are going to see about C++ overview. So what is C++? C++ is a general purpose programming language that was developed as an enhancement of C language. It includes object-oriented paradigm. It is an imperative and a compiled language. So C++ is a high-level general-purpose programming language designed for system and application programming. It was developed by Bastian Stroustrup at Bell's Lab in 1983 as an extension of C programming language. C++ is an object-oriented multi-paradigm language that supports procedural, functional, and generic programming styles. So one of the main key features of C++ is the ability to support low-level, system-level programming and also making it suitable for developing the operating system, device drivers, and also other software systems. At the same time, C++ also provides a rich set of libraries and features for high-level application programming, which makes popular choice for developing the desktop applications, video games, and also other complex applications. C++ has a large and active community of developers and users and wealth of resources and tools available for learning and using the language. So some of the main key features of C++ includes it is the object-oriented programming. That is, C++ supports object-oriented programming and also allows developers to create classes and objects, and also it defines methods and properties for these objects. So what are the main characteristics of object-oriented programming means? First one, the OOPS concept gives. First one is classes. Classes is a collection of object. So what is an object? Means object is an entity, and also it includes abstractions, polymorphism, inheritance, and also encapsulation. So what are the main features of C++ means? It is an object-oriented programming. That is, it encompasses all the features such as abstractions, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. And also, C++ is a machine-independent program. And also, it is very simple language. Even as small children can easily understand and develop a C++ codings. It is an high-level languaging program. The C++ programs are high-level language, and this C++ is very popular, and it is case sensitive, and it is a compiler based, and it provides dynamic memory allocation. The execution speed of this C++ program is very high, and also it is an existence of libraries. There are so many libraries available for the C++. So these are the main features of C++. First one is it is an object-oriented programming. Second one is machine independent, and the C++ programs are very simple to use. It is a example for high-level programming language. It is very popular language. It deals with case sensitive, and also it is a compiler-based language. Dynamic memory allocation is also available in C++. The execution speed is very high, and there is an existence of libraries. So let us see about the history of C++. So C++ language is an object-oriented programming language, and it is a combination of both low-level and high-level language. So we can also call it as a middle-level language. The programming language was created, designed, and developed by Danish computer scientist Bastian Stroustrup at Bell Laboratories. Now it is called as Nokia Bell Labs in Murray Hill, that is New Jersey. As he wanted a flexible and dynamic language which was similar to C with all its features, but it additionally have active type checking, basic inheritance, default functioning argument, classes, inlining, etc. And hence C with classes was called as C++, and it was launched. C++ was initially known as C with classes, and it was renamed as C++ in the year 1983. Plus plus is a shorthand for adding one to variety in programming. Therefore, C++ roughly names it one higher than C. So this picture deals with the history of C++. C++ was got released in the, it is given the version C11, and also it is a case sensitive and was first implemented and was referenced with the manual published, and the new official name was given as C++. So each and every step is given in the picture clearly. So let us see about what is the difference between C and C++. Both the C and C++ are similar, but only the thing is in C++ classes are added. So here let us see about the difference between C and C++ language. Both the language have similar syntax. So syntax for both the language are very similar. Code structure for both the language are also same. Code structure deals with for both the C and C++ language are also very similar. The compilation of both the language are also similar. They share same basic syntax. So the basic syntax of C language and C++ language are also very similar. Nearly all of the C's operators and keywords are also present in the C++ and do the same things. So C++ has a slightly extended grammar than C, but the basic grammar is same. Basic memory model of the both are also very close to the hardware. Same notation of stack, heap, file scope and static variables are present in the languages. Now let us see a simple program in C++. So the basic, very simple and the basic program is given here. Below is the C++ program to print hello world. So how can we print the word hello world? C++ program to display hello world. Here the hash include IO string. This represents the header file for the input output functions. This one, this hash include gives the header file. IO stream says that it is an input output stream. It is given from the library. Using namespace std, we go for main function. That is the main. Int main is gives that it is that the main execution of the program starts. Int main, that is the return type is integer type. So here we give cout hello world. Cout means the printing statement. It prints the word hello world. Return type is 0, as we have given the integer as the main. In the main we are giving the return type as 0, and we are closing the code. That is, this is a very simple program, and we can easily anybody can easily write the C++ codings. So what are the important points has to be noted? Means first one is always include the necessary header files before entering into the main program. So always include the necessary header files for the smooth execution of the function. For example, IO stream must be included. Included to use std, that is cin, cout. Cin for input and cout for output. The execution of code begins from the main program. It is a good practice to use intention and comments in programs for easy understanding. Cout is used to print out print statement, and cin is used for taking the input from the user. Thank you.